Yes, this is the President of the United States. I cannot read a teleprompter. So, this is an opportunity for every person who ever voted for Trump to consider their ethics and quality of life as a person. And I see this as someone with friends who voted for Trump. So, you have to be aware of this. You voted for Trump. You want this. Hello, Josh. Hello, Victoria. Hello, Victoria. Yeah, just write in Jason Genova next time, okay? What do you put? $1. $30. Yeah, severe psychosis. Yeah, so clinical indication is gross grandiosity, consistent with narcissistic personality disorder, and the guy is psychotic, and that's pretty much it. So, if you were to be admitted to a psychiatric hospital, there'd be NPD plus psychosis, and he would not be released.